Naluto na yung ating fish matchbox. So, we need to take it out the fish and then the rice. So, ayan. This is it. Ayan. Yung ating matchbox rice. Natin ating kanin at saka ilagay dito. Ito na yung ating matchbox. Isda. Isda na niluto kasama ang kanin. Enjoy for watching. Ayan.